Okay, 2206 Old Course Drive in Charlotte, in the basement. It's February the 25th, I believe. You see that water is leaking right here. We have a water mains that come in. I believe there's a leak. I believe the system's turned off right now. I've not checked it. But I believe this is residual draining down from the house. There's a heavy break in here. This caused the walls around the sump pump to fail. These walls are falling down on top of the sump pump. Here's the HVAC drain line that's broken over here. Here's one of the lines from the sump pump that's broken. And I believe we had a lot of this water from the water main flood into the basement. Right here we have hot water heater at the edge, right there at the edge, hoping this thing doesn't fall. Then you have your air handler unit for your air conditioning system.